Hello and welcome to this new UD. Since we're starting a new UD, I want to use this video to explain you what the UD is going to consist in. So, I will divide the video into parts. The first part is going to be about the mapa conceptual. And the second part is going to be about the main elements we have in the unit. So let me tell you that the mapa conceptual is really a very important tool that we don't use very often. So the mapa conceptual tells you it's a summary of all the principal elements or the main questions we have in the lesson. So it will be very important to have a look at it at the beginning of the unit and then at the end of the unit. When we finish the unit, we will go back to the mapa conceptual to search that we already know enough about the most important elements. This will be the time to go back to the UD, to the corresponding number section, etc. if we don't control or we have the feeling we don't understand it good enough. And in the second part, as I told you, we'll be taking a look to the UD so that you know what's going to be about it. So let's start with the mapa conceptual. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look to the concept map in this UD. The title is going to be Understanding and Filling in Purchase Orders, Delivery Notes and Invoices. So we use all this in different forms. And how are we going to do this? We'll do this by using specific vocabulary in order to stock management, place orders, and deal with complaints. So here is Aitor again, and in this case we will start by seeing an invoice here where you have the sample invoice. Before you have a business dictionary, but this is a sample invoice. You know more than myself about invoices, so you can have a check to it. It's an idea of the invoice you can have a look at. If we go to point 1.1, we have some vocabulary in business English with some exercises, and as you see here, you also have a business dictionary. You also have two videos. About one is about transactions and one is about profit. So take a careful look to both of them, and you will learn a little bit more about transactions and profits. If we continue in point 1.2, we will expand the vocabulary related to business English, and you also have a text. Yes, that's it. That's what we are going to have. So in point 2, we are going to talk about the stock management, and we will see a document where they will tell us what an FOB is. That's the FOB. This is a Wikipedia document, which means free on board and is used in international commercial law. Then we will end up the lesson placing an order and dealing with complaints. Dealing where you can have a look to a sample PO copy, and finally some vocabulary, and to finish we will deal with complaints. You have a golden rules of complaints handling document here, and which will be very interesting for you to take a look. So develop a strategic plan, train your staff in complaints handling, make complaints a priority, ensure you can process complaints from all sources, and set up a process to log and analyze all complaints and share with everyone. So here is a step-by-step how to handle complaints document. That's all, folks, for this UD4. Good luck and see you